We've all heard it, that little voice in the back of our heads. You need to lose weight. We've looked in the mirror. We know. Are you tired of being tired? No time to cook, much less cook healthy? Not even sure what that means? If you've given up on diets, supplements, meal plans, working out, then listen up. Vigor Figure has you covered.
So the thing about Vigor Figure, it is a weight loss meal program. And the thing is though that what separates it from other programs is that Vigor Figure is giving you life skills. They're giving you skills to lose weight and continue to lose weight. And it doesn't matter what gender you are, what age, it's for everyone of any skill of exercise.
We're a team of doctors, personal trainers, nutritionists, and chefs. We provide one-on-one weight loss consultations, and every plan is tailored to your individual goal.
Vigor Figure is really just a way to promote a healthy and an active lifestyle. It's portion-controlled meals provided to our customers in the most healthy format.
They are there to help you. They have groups, social groups, there's a personal trainer there. It is a very social-oriented place, and they're there to help you. They want you to lose weight. They want you to be happy.
Many different meal packages are available to choose from, both veg and non-veg, kids packs available. Meals are prepared and delivered fresh from our kitchen to your door. No preservatives used. Monitored weight loss aid, our team comes to you. The meal plan and advices are to be followed exactly as instructed for guaranteed weight loss. Organic meals are prepared at an additional charge. Please contact us for more information.